Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let me show you how you can change the color of notes in Instagram. First, let's open your Instagram account. Make sure to log in. Here, click the message icon on the top right of your screen. On the top part, you can see your note over here. You can input your note with limited characters. There are two ways to change your note color. The first will be the default one. It can be a white bubble text if you're in the light mode in Instagram, or a gray blue text if you are in the dark mode like mine. To add a note, just click the bubble text on the top of your picture over here. Then just type any note you want. Once done, click share. So next is you can turn this bubble text into gold, which is the new feature of Instagram. Just tap again your bubble text right here. Hit delete note on the prompt and make sure to include the words gold, medal, Olympics, victory, and champion. Hit share once done, and there you go. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.